Alright, we're recording the sewer here at 9040 3rd Avenue Northwest. Date is May 5th, 2021. I'm coming back from the Seattle City main through a clean out access down in the crawl space. We're going to pull back from this point and get a look at the line. Coming back immediately. Here, let's zero out our footage again. Alright. Immediately into PVC pipe. Coming back from the main. Six-inch diameter. Okay, Joe, can you push back in like 3 feet? Right there, right there. Okay, so the first 27 feet or so of pipe, we're going to call that, right there, stop Joe. 28 feet are PVC back from the main, then we come into a section of 6-inch diameter concrete pipe. So coming back now through 6-inch diameter concrete. Come slow, Joe. So we've got original concrete pipe. Go in just a foot. I want to check a tie-in, Joe. A couple feet. Yeah, a couple feet. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, come back. Slow. Real slow. Not seeing a connection there. See some roots coming in though. Okay, we're going to keep coming back. Go in a little bit, Joe. In. Okay, back a little bit. Real slow, real slow, real slow. That looks like a connection there. Something's dripping. I want to go locate that, Joe. Go push in again. Push, 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 push. Push, push, push. Right there. Second look, that looks like a separation of seams. Let's come back really slow, really slow, really slow. Yeah, that looks like a seam separating. That's where that dripping is coming from. Probably groundwater. I don't see a connection there. Go in a little bit, Joe, again. In. In. Yeah, it's just a small offset turn. Alright, coming back. Well, it looks like we're in 4-inch diameter. Go back in, Joe. Sorry, I gotta find the 4x6. Go. Go. Right there. Alright, hold on. Stay there. I gotta go find that 4x6. Pausing the video here. Okay, continuing the recording there. It looks like we've got about 5 feet of 6-inch diameter original concrete before you get into that PVC under the road. Located this spot, the 4x6 on property. We're now back in 4-inch pipe, diameter pipe. I zeroed out the footage so that we can get an accurate count. And then we're back into ABS there. Push in a little bit, Joe. Okay, so we've got, keep it tight. So it looks like you got 13 feet of 4-inch diameter before you get back into this ABS plastic. And then you come into another stretch of old concrete pipe here. And then you come into a stretch of PVC pipe here. So the rest of this coming back, I believe, is PVC. I'm going to confirm that, and then we're going to go do one more locate. But I'm going to end the recording once we get... Okay, we're back inside the house now, so I'm going to end the recording there. We're going to go do a little bit of locating. Okay, Joe.